Welcome back to Trending Cars. Today, we are bringing you something that combines the prestige of a luxury automobile brand with the freedom of travel, the 2026 Mercedes-Benz Motorhome Motorhome. This motorhome is more than just a vehicle. It is a luxury house on wheels, designed to give you comfort, style, and performance in ways that completely redefine what motorhome living means. Mercedes-Benz has taken its years of engineering excellence, iconic design, and cutting-edge technology and blended them seamlessly into this futuristic travel machine. When you first see the exterior of the 2026 Mercedes-Benz Motorhome, it makes a statement right away. The body is sleek and aerodynamic, with a design language that mirrors the high-end cars Mercedes is known for. The massive front grille with the illuminated three-pointed star proudly declares its identity, while the bold LED matrix headlights add a futuristic touch. The motorhome is sculpted with flowing lines that don't just look great, but also improve airflow and efficiency on the road. Large panoramic windows dominate the sides, offering passengers breathtaking views of the outside world. At the rear, the design continues with a clean, modern look, integrated taillights, and a subtle yet powerful stance. The alloy wheels are massive and stylish, built for both durability and elegance. Mercedes has managed to make this motorhome look less like a bulky RV and more like a futuristic luxury vehicle that just happens to be a home on wheels. Step inside, and you enter a world that feels like a five-star hotel suite. The interior is where Mercedes-Benz has truly showcased its craftsmanship. Everything is finished with premium leather, polished wood trims, ambient lighting, and state-of-the-art technology. The living area is spacious and designed for maximum comfort, with plush seating that can transform into a lounge or dining space. The panoramic roof and wide windows allow natural light to flood the cabin, making the entire space feel open and luxurious. The kitchen comes with the latest appliances, including an induction cooktop, refrigerator, and smart storage systems that maximize space without sacrificing style. The bedroom area is equipped with a queen-sized bed with memory foam, luxury bedding, and clever compartments for storage. The bathroom feels more like a spa, with a rainfall shower, high-end fixtures, and modern design. Every inch of this motorhome screams luxury, with no compromise on comfort. Mercedes-Benz has also packed it with the latest smart home technology, allowing you to control lighting, temperature, entertainment, and even window blinds with a voice command or through the Mercedes app. When it comes to performance, the 2026 Mercedes-Benz Motorhome is equally impressive. Under the hood, it comes with a powerful hybrid powertrain that combines a turbocharged V6 engine with an advanced electric motor, delivering both efficiency and performance. The hybrid system ensures smooth long-distance travel while reducing emissions, making it eco-friendly compared to traditional motorhomes. The motorhome also features Mercedes' 4MATIC all-wheel drive system, giving it the ability to handle different terrains with ease. Adaptive air suspension ensures a smooth ride, even when the road gets rough. Despite its size, the driving experience feels confident and refined, something that only a brand like Mercedes can achieve. The advanced driver assist features like lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, and 360-degree cameras make driving this motorhome feel safe and stress-free. Mercedes has truly made this motorhome a vehicle that's not only luxurious to live in, but also enjoyable to drive. Now, let's talk about the price. The 2026 Mercedes-Benz Motorhome is not going to come cheap, and it isn't meant to. This is a premium product for those who want the very best in luxury travel. Starting prices are expected to be around $450,000, and depending on customizations and optional features, it can easily cross the $600,000 mark. Yes, it's a huge investment, but for what it offers, the price makes sense. This motorhome is not just transportation, it is a lifestyle statement, combining the prestige of Mercedes-Benz with the freedom to travel anywhere without sacrificing luxury. In conclusion, the 2026 Mercedes-Benz Motorhome is a stunning example of how far the motorhome industry has come. It offers an unmatched combination of exterior beauty, interior comfort, advanced performance, and cutting-edge technology. For those who want to explore the world without giving up luxury, This motorhome is as close to perfect as it gets. Whether you see it as a luxury home, a futuristic RV, or simply the ultimate road trip machine, one thing is certain. Mercedes-Benz has once again set a new standard for what's possible on wheels.